So best practices for building a community. First of all, the cause. I'll say the cause has to be clear and loud. Okay, you should not build a community just for the sake of building one. You know what? Like, it's nothing less than building a product. So that's how I feel it. Like, if you want to actually validate your community, you should do the same things which you will do while building or planning a product. Like, you will think of an idea, you will think about the problems which you think your community can solve. You list them down and then you run it with a bunch of friends or with a bunch of like-minded people, those who feel are going to be my possible members in the community. So you start from there. You really need to validate your community idea before just saying, "Mujhe travelers ka community start karna." You should never start a travelers community just because of you thought I want to start. No, you need to figure out that I want to start this because you're never not building a community for yourself. Remember that you're serving. You need to serve to people. You're not doing it for yourself. It will give a lot of things to you, but you're doing it for others and you are doing it for them. So you need to understand whether they need it or not. So that's the first principle. Validate your community principle or validate your community mission. Then do try to find a niche which will be better. And if you can be really, really unique, that'll be helpful. Then third thing will be don't go with a big head, like I'll just open up a group and people will start joining in. No, this will not happen. You need to plan it out. So rather than doing a big launch party, do a small one, start with 20 people and curate them, handpick them, know them, understand them, and apply all your things to them first to understand that this will work or not. Then, just like your marketing tactic, I'll definitely suggest a good content calendar while building a community. Okay. You definitely need to have a content calendar because all what matters in a community is the consistency and responsiveness. So consistency comes with the content which you float, and it will help your community to open up. It should be a mix of curated content, some personalized content, polls, and some videos and stuff like that. So the consistency will come with that. And then talking about the responsiveness, you should think that no voice should go unheard. That should be the principle of while building a community. If you can do that, nobody will ever leave your community because people don't leave things which give them value and which are very responsive to them. They will never leave it. They will always be addicted to your community. That's there. Then figure out the resources. Do you have them? Or if you don't have them, how you will get them? Resources, I mean, people, first of all. After people, you will require a little bit of resources to survive for such things. For the launch and for the start, this much is good. Once it's there, that there could be other things which I can mention, but I guess for the start, it's the best thing to start in that.